My house is 26 years old and it came with a gravel driveway. Over the years I've let the grass grow up. You can barely tell where the driveway is and it gets real muddy. So over the past month or so, I've been scraping little sections of the grass off the driveway. And it's pretty good exercise. I can do a nice little chunk in about an hour. This is the gear I use, mostly a pick, a rake, and a shovel. And I'm just removing the top 2 inches of dirt and grass. And I use the dirt to fill in any low spots in the yard. I'm also making a little level platform for a picnic table. And I could have rented a Bobcat for like 200 bucks and done this in a day, but I don't think I would have been able to get it as precise and clean as doing it by hand. This is 10 tons of crush and run gravel, cost 270 bucks. Now I'm gonna do this section up here. So now I just got 15 tons of crush and run. It took me a total of 6 hours to spread this 15 tons of gravel, doing it 2 hours per day. And it was actually pretty easy. Something to keep in mind is if you order the stone at 2 separate times, you might get a color difference. My second batch has a tannish color. The first batch had a gray color. But once it rains, it'll wash off all the rock dust and it'll kind of look like this. And now I compact the stone with my truck, drive over it over and over and over. So the total cost was $627. Doing it myself saved me probably $1,500 to $2,000. And also the quality of the work is like 5 times better than what you would get if you paid somebody to do this.